Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss speed, distance, time questions in GAT or in GAT exam. So let's start. Here is the first question. Road where cars usually travel at speed of 80 km per hour, but due to maintenance, cars travel at speed of 60 km per hour. Find the percentage of the speed drop. So initial speed, it was 80 km per hour, and the final speed is 60 km per hour. Means what? The speed decreases. So let's find the percentage of the speed drop. First, we need to calculate the speed drop. The speed drop is 20 km per hour. So we'd have what? 80 minus 60 to about 20 km per hour. Okay, it's very simple. Now, 80 minus 60, which is equal to 20. Then I divide it by 80 because you are asked to find the percentage. So we need to divide by the initial speed. By the initial speed, which is equal to what? 80. And multiply by what? By 100. So as we can express as percentage. Okay. Then here we have what percentage? That's why we need to multiply by 100. Okay. Now we have 20 over 80. We can simplify. 20 by 20 it will be 1, and 80 divided by 20 it will be what? 4. Again, we have to simplify again. Both of them can be simplified by 4, so we need to divide by 4. It will be 1. 100 divided by 4, it will be 25. So the speed decreases or reduced by 25%. So the percentage of the speed drop is 25%. Done. Let's proceed to the next question. Here is the next question now. A car covers a distance in 1 hour at a speed of 100 km per hour. If the speed increased by 20%, how many minutes will it take for the car to cover what? The same distance? The first step, we need to understand the question. And the second step to be what? We need to convert the statement into an equation form. We have what? The same distance, so we can calculate the distance. Okay, so of course we need to keep in our mind the triangular formula, how to study what speed, distance, time relationship. So distance, which is equal to speed times time, whereas time it will be what? Distance over speed. Speed will be what? Distance over time. So by applying this formula, we can do it what? Distance, which is equal to speed times time. Speed here in the first one is 100 km per hour, and time is 1 hour. So we need to calculate the distance now. Now the next step to be what? We need to find the final speed first, then we can calculate the time. So the speed increased by 20%. So what will be the final speed? So the final speed after 20% increment, it will be what? 100, the initial speed, plus 20% of the initial speed. Means what? 20 over 100 multiplied by what? By 100, which is the initial speed. Now it will be what? 120 km per hour. Now we know the final speed now, and we know that the distance will be the same. The coverage distance here at 1 hour with a speed of 100 km per hour, the distance will be 100 km per hour. So since the distance is the same, we can calculate now time will be distance over speed. So we know the distance is what? The same. It means what? 100 km over 100 120 kilometer per hour. Now, so here you need to be careful. You are asked to calculate the time in minutes. So we know that, yeah, because you are asked in minutes, we need to convert the hour into minutes. Therefore, 1 hour, which is equal to 60 minutes, so I converted this one into an hour. We need to multiply 100 over 120, multiply by 60, because you are asked to find what? In minutes. Okay? Therefore, it will be what? 50 minutes. Done. So just keep in your mind this rule. Okay? That's number 2. The last one, number 3. Yes. A car covers a distance in 5 hours with a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. So here we have what? We have time and we have speed. We can calculate what? The distance. In how many hours? Means what? You are asked to find what? The time. It will take to cover the same distance as the initial. So the same distance if the speed changes what? To 100 kilometers per hour. Now, so the first step, since the distance covered, the same distance is covered or equal distance is covered, we need to calculate what is the distance in the first one. So speed times time, we know the speed is 120, multiplied by the time is 5 hours, which is equal to what? 600 kilometers. Now, in our question, you are asked what? You are asked to calculate the time. So T will be what? Distance over speed. We know the speed is what? The distance is 600 over the speed, which is equal to what? 100 kilometers per hour. Now, it will be what? The time to cover 100 kilometers, it will be what? 6 hours. Done. Therefore, the answer will be what? C, which is 6 hours. So this is what I want to share, guys. Sharing is caring. That's why I would like to share with you guys. Keep practice. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget. So keep in your mind, sharing is caring. That's why I would like to share. You also what? You can share it. Thank you.